Well, hey family, I'm gonna give you guys a quick tip today. Can you imagine how much content we add on Facebook? Videos, flyers, documents, content, just all the information that we add on Facebook. And think about if Facebook went away, if Instagram went away, if YouTube went away, if any of those platforms went away, what would happen to all the information? Can you just imagine, right? Facebook. Facebook, you can download all your content. All you have to do is go to settings, privacy. From settings, privacy, go to settings. At settings, you want to click on settings and then it'll open up and then you want to go to my information. When you click on, well, it'll say Facebook information, you click on that, it'll open up and then you want to scroll down and it'll say download your information. And you can literally pick and choose what you want to download. It can be pictures, it can be posts, it'll be videos, it will be everything. So you can literally download it and then reuse that content on another platform. That's why it's always good to have your own website, right? Because that's yours, it belongs to you. Facebook does not belong to you, YouTube does not belong to you. Any other platform that we use, they do not belong to us. And I'm gonna show you how you know, because they will put you in Facebook jail immediately if you ain't acting right. Instagram will shut you down. They don't care how many followers you have, right? So they're showing you that you have no control. You have control over, not even that though, you have some control over the content that you post. But even with that, you don't have complete control because they'll delete a post fast, quick, and in a hurry without getting permission from you, right? But with your website, you can put whatever you want. Well, to a certain extent, you can put what you want on your website. That's yours. You pretty much own it in a sense of, right? As long as you're paying like you're supposed to pay for that website to stay up. But always get into the habit of downloading your information, even on Instagram. Figure out how to download, your content so you can always have ownership of that content because it is your content. You own it. It's yours. If you're creating it and putting it together and you're uploading it, that's your curated content. It belongs to you. So you want to figure out a way how to download that content and always have ownership of that content. Guess what, family?